Can you pass your ACCA by self-studying? If you are confused, then this video is for you. So do watch it till the end. I'm Megha Bansali, Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant and ACCA. If you are wondering that, should I opt for self-study, should I opt for classes, what is the right blend for me, then I'm going to be discussing pros and cons of both of it. So do watch the video till the end. So I have been teaching ACCA for 4 to 5 years now, and I observe a lot of mistakes that are made by students, especially self-study students. And that's what I'm going to help you understand, that if you're going to do self-study, then avoid these mistakes, and then yes, self-study looks good to go. Now, when you're studying by yourself, what is very important is you look at all the resources available for ACCA, the study material, the technical articles, the examiner's report, because you do not have anyone to guide you that, what is important, what is not important, what is the chapter-wise weightage, what have come in the past papers, what are the common mistakes made by the students. So it is very important you understand all this and then you begin your studies. Second, your study plan should be drafted in such a way that you're able to complete all the resources, you're able to revise, and you need to stick to the plan. The plan needs to be flexible, it needs to be practical. So you cannot say that 7 days a week, 30 days a month, I'm going to study. It is not practically possible. You need to have 1 2 days free, and for example, there's a festival coming, please keep a break in that. So you need to make a study plan which is more practical, and it is more flexible also. And lastly, guys, what happens when you're doing self study is you're not able to do a self evaluation accurately, because whenever you are checking your own answer, you tend to get lenient, you will overmark yourself, which is where a lot of self study students go really wrong. So that's why I have a mentoring program which is there for these kind of self study students, so wherein we cover all these mistakes that are made by self study students and we curate the plan. So how basically the mentoring plan works is basically, you study at your end. Wherever you have doubts, that's where we come in. So we pitch in and we say, no, this is not the concept, this is what the concept says. So we give you doubt session. We help you craft a study plan which is according to you, personalized, flexible, based on your schedule. So it is a very practical plan. And lastly, most important is your mock evaluations. So we evaluate all your answers where we guide you. This is not the writing skills. This is the technical word. This concept is not going right. Please revise this. Please read this. So when you get your answers evaluated by a mentor, you will be in a better position to understand where you're going wrong, because we have that experience with so many students, with so many years of correcting papers. We know what is expected out of the examiner, what is the question trying to say, how to answer it, and all of it, which you will not be able to do as a self-study student. Plus, even if you're trying to do this, it is going to be a lot of time consuming effort. So you can also save your time if you're a self-study student. I have had so many students who come to me who have given 3 4 attempts of examination, are not able to clear. And with this mentoring program, within one attempt, they're able to clear. I can give you a guarantee that if you join my mentoring program, you will be able to clear your paper in the first attempt of taking the mentoring program. So if you're a self-study student, then please get this kind of guidance. It is very, very important. You might be able to understand the concept, but to meet the requirement of the examination, you might require assistance, because ACCA is a very practical case study based of paper. So this kind of mentoring will give you that edge and that extra efforts. Now moving on, if you are someone who does not have concept clarity, who does not have basic knowledge, who finds it difficult to maintain a schedule, to be disciplined, please join classes wherein you will have a proper structure, that this chapter I need to complete in so many days. This is the plan, because classes will have test also. Now, if I have to explain how Megha Bansali classes work and how we structure a particular batch, so basically we will have a plan decided before we start the batch. So we will tell you, it can't be a daily plan, it is a weekly plan that we prepare, that within this week this chapter is going to be completed, second week this chapter will be completed, then there's going to be a test. So all of that plan is pre-decided before the batch even starts. So the plan is shared with you, so you already have a study plan, you do not have to prepare it. And the best part is it is a weekly plan. So in case one day you're not able to study, cover it up the second day. And then you typically have the weekends where you have a longer time to kind of patch up and cover up the syllabus. So you can, plan your studies according to the class. So you will very comfortably finish your syllabus along with the class. So that's a very good advantage that you have if you join with us. Second, we have regular tests, regular mock evaluations. Again, in those evaluations, we give you a detailed feedback, what is going right, what is not going right, which chapters you need to study, do you have to work on your writing skills, Excel skills, word skills, whatever it is. We give you all that assistance that is required. So, you can start correcting yourself from day one. Because see, 10 days before the examination, you can't develop Excel skills. Are you going to study, revise, or develop your Excel skills? So that's why when you join the class, from day one, we start making you work on it. So within 2 months, 3 months, you will develop those skills, and you will be comfortable before the examination to write the exam on a Excel or on a Word, or whatever skills are required to be developed. And yes, while studying you will basically have doubts. Okay, that is the nature of studying. Whatever doubts you have, you can send it to us on WhatsApp, and we will get all those doubts clarified immediately to you. So you do not have to wait till the next class, and get stuck, because sometimes what happens, it could be a small point and that point is somewhere related to a below concept. So while you're studying, if you get stuck and then that doubt is not clarified until the next class, your entire study plan for that day is kind of, shaken, and you're not able to follow properly. So that's why we provide a real time doubt solution. So you just WhatsApp us the doubt and we will clarify it to you right then and there. So, your study is going to go without any blockage, and you can just study properly for your examination. And when you join our classes, you're getting all live classes, you have the recordings available. So whatever doubts you have, you can also go back to the recordings, watch them later. Then you get those mock evaluations. We have continuous mock test, real time doubt solving, and we have special doubt sessions also. So once we have completed the syllabus, there are going to be 15-20 days gap before the examination. In between, we will have doubt classes. It's not like we will leave you high and dry. We are going to handhold you till the last day of your examination, and even after that. So how do we help you beyond that? See, the pass percentage that we have is about 65% of our classes. So typically, it will be a very rare situation that you kind of don't clear your examination. In case you don't, we are going to handhold you even for your next attempt. All of these benefits are going to be available free of cost. We do not charge anything for reset batches. So that's one advantage you have when you join with us. Plus, if you've cleared your ACCA, we also provide placement assistance. So we have a lot of alumni students who are working in Big Fours, in a lot of MNCs, JP Morgan, and a lot of those companies. So we will also help you with your placements. So guys, what are you waiting for? You get so many advantages when you join Megha Bhansali classes. If you're a self-study student or a student looking for tutoring services, then you can definitely reach out to us. Details have been provided. Also, if you want to enroll for any class, there is a Google form available below. Just sign it up, and we will get in touch with you. So guys, please make the most of the resources available, of the tutors available, and get great success in your ACC examination. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more of your friends, and I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.